10 quick and easy healthy snack ideas for busy days. In our fast-paced world, it's often difficult to maintain a balanced diet. That's where quick and healthy snacks come into play. Let's explore 10 such options that you can easily integrate into your busy day. The first snack is a classic: raw nuts. Almonds, walnuts, or cashews are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats. They're portable and require no prep time, perfect for whenever you need a quick energy boost. Next up, Greek yogurt topped with berries. It's a protein-packed snack that's both delicious and nutritious. The berries add a touch of sweetness and a punch of antioxidants. Thirdly, we have whole grain toast with avocado. This snack is high in fiber and healthy fats. The creaminess of the avocado pairs perfectly with the crunchiness of the toast. Hard-boiled eggs are another great on-the-go snack. They're a complete protein source and can be prepared ahead of time. Simply peel and enjoy whenever you need a quick refuel. Fifth, consider sliced apples with a thin layer of almond butter. The juicy crispness of the apple complements the creamy nuttiness of the almond butter. It's a satisfying snack that will keep you feeling full longer. Our sixth snack is a favorite among health enthusiasts: a smoothie. Blend your favorite fruits with a handful of spinach or kale, and you have a nutrient-packed snack in a glass. Next, hummus with vegetable sticks. The protein and fiber from the hummus, combined with the nutrients from the veggies, make this a very balanced snack. Choose veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, or carrots. Number 8, a small bowl of oatmeal. Oatmeal is high in fiber and can be made in minutes. Top it off with some fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey for added flavor. Please subscribe our channel for more useful tips and click a like button. Our ninth snack is a tasty one: dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and can satisfy your sweet tooth in a healthier way. Just remember, moderation is key. Last but not least, a simple banana. Bananas are a great source of potassium and provide quick energy. Portable and delicious, they are the perfect on-the-go snack. Remember, maintaining a healthy diet doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste or convenience. These 10 snacks are proof of that. So next time you're in a rush, reach for one of these quick, easy, and healthy options. Enjoy your snacking.